Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the blank spaces and separate numbers from our list of data. If you are new to our channel, we make regular videos related to softwares and other applications. So if you like our videos, please press the like button and the subscribe button. Now moving on to the topic of our video. First we are going to see how to remove blank spaces between our data. As a first step, first select the list of data. After selecting the data, go to the Data tab and apply Filter. Now again highlight the list of data. Now go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting under Styles menu. Now click Highlight Cells rule. Now go to the Equal to option and click it. Now press the Cell Value option and select Blanks. Now apply the changes. And it has selected the blank cells in our data. Now go to the filter option that we previously applied and click sort by color. Now click the color field by which we highlighted our blank cells. Now it has highlighted all the blank cells in our data. Now select only these cells and press Ctrl and minus key together. Now click entire row and press OK. It has deleted all the blank spaces that were earlier in our data. Now moving on to our second task. We have to separate the rankings and put them in the left column. Now again, select the entire list of data and go to the Home tab. Then click Conditional Formatting. Then go to Highlight Cells rule. Now click Less Than. As all our ranks are less than 11, so we are going to put number 11 here. Now apply the changes. It has selected all the rankings in our data. Now again go to the filter option and go to sort by color. Now click No Fill. It has separated the names and the rankings. Now select all the rankings and press Ctrl and alphabet X key. Now paste all the rankings in cell A4. Now all the rankings are now at their right place where we want them to be, in a left corner in front of the names. Now to remove the formatting, select all the rankings one more time and in the Home tab, select Clear option. Now under Clear option, click Clear Formats. And the conditional formatting has now been removed from the rankings, and we have both removed all the blank spaces and separated the numbers from our list of data. Thank you for watching the video.